I'm back, and I just wanted to go over how far I am with the treasure chest. I got some hinges that I've kept for years. I finally put them to good use. You can see here I kind of stained the inside too a little bit. I'm not quite done with that. I got the inside filled with crap, but I have this copper banding. I just got this the other day. I think this is 2000s. Not sure. I believe. Thick. And I think I ordered it, it's like 1.5 inches. So I'm going to bend this into an angle, put it around the edge, and I'm going to roll over the sides, maybe an 1/8 inch. Just roll it over, and then I'm going to drill the holes, and then I'm going to bend it into the angle, and I'm going to put it on around, give you a good idea what that's going to look like, and stay tuned for what that looks like. Thank you very much.